Barney Desmesri and welcome to Boss the Basics. In this episode we're going to be making the classic dip hummus. We've got a tin of chickpeas which we've drained and rinsed. We've got a tiny bit of garlic. The garlic is totally up to you. I'm using about a quarter of a clove. You don't have to add garlic if you don't want to. We've got tahini. Now tahini is a sesame paste which kind of gives the hummus its flavour. We've got some olive oil, we're going to have the juice of a lemon, and we've got some water. I've also got a few extra spices which I'll be adding later, but they're totally optional, and I've got my plate ready to go. Now this couldn't be any easier. You do need a food processor, but it really couldn't be any easier. So we're going to tip our chickpeas into our food processor. Then we're going to add about 60 millilitres of our olive oil. That's about 4 tablespoons. And we're just going to blitz that. You see that's lovely and smooth. 3 tablespoons of tahini. So in that goes. The juice of 1 lemon. A tiny bit of garlic. This is what makes it really smooth and silky. We're going to pour in about 4 tablespoons of water, and then we're going to season it with salt and pepper. Now if you wanted to make a flavoured hummus, so if you wanted to add cumin, or you wanted to add red peppers, or you want to add olives to this, or you want to add a fresh herb, then this is the point which you do it, but we're going to keep ours classic. I need to put the lid back on, and then we're going to leave that running for a couple of minutes until everything's super smooth. See, that looks beautiful, and it looks just like hummus that you buy from the shops. I like to scrape down the sides just to make sure that everything is mixed in. You make a dip in the hummus, which you fill with a bit more really good olive oil, and then season it with whatever you want. So I'm going to use some cumin seeds and a bit of sumac. You can put some fresh herbs or anything else you want in there. So that is how you make cheaper than shop bought, tastier than shop bought, altogether better than shop bought hummus. I'm Barney Desmesri, this has been Boss the Basics. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget, stay safe, get cooking.